Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to hide the Windows 11 Start button as needed, and then you can unhide it if you like. All right, so this is one of those things that may or may not be useful for you. So it might be more of a novelty thing, so it's up to you to decide if you want to try this or not. All right, so to do this, we're going to be using the trusty WindHawk app. So we've done many videos on WindHawk. So what you do is you install WindHawk, and then you add mods to WindHawk, and then these mods will change how Windows looks and functions. And WindHawk is free to install as well. All right, so I have it installed here. So you have your home section with your installed mods and featured mods. Then you have the explore section where you could search for mods, filter, sort them, and so on. So what we want to do is look for the mod called Hide Start Button. So you do a search for that under Explore in the search box. Then once you find it, click on Details and then Install. And then you'll see some message about being careful when you install mods. You get that when you install any mods, so that's fine. All right, so now all you need to do is you could enable it from here or go to the details and enable it from here and also remove it if you don't want to use it any longer. All right, so once you enable it, you can see the start menu is gone, but of course you can still use the Windows key to bring up the start menu if you want to do that. And then if you want it back, simply click on disable here and then it'll put the start button back and then you could use it like normal. So it's pretty simple. All right, so this mod doesn't have any settings. A lot of them do, but this one doesn't because it's pretty basic. All right, so once again, just install WindHawk. I'll put a link in the description for that. Do a search for Hide Start button, and then you could enable it and disable it as needed. And then on a side note, when it comes to WindHawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray in order to have your mods work. So if your mods ever stop working, just come here and make sure it's there. And if not, just restart WindHawk and it should put it back there. And it should also be set to start with your computer so you don't have to come start it manually each time. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.